Want to move your crypto from Robinhood to your Ledger Flex for better security? Here's how. First, understand that a crypto transfer means moving your digital assets from Robinhood, where they hold custody, to your Ledger Flex, which gives you control. This is done via blockchain networks using wallet addresses. You'll need the Ledger Flex app and a connected Ledger hardware device like Nano S Plus. On Robinhood, go to your crypto portfolio, select Withdraw for the crypto you want to move, and choose External Wallet. Now, paste the address of your Ledger Flex wallet. Crucially, double-check the address. Use the QR code scanner in Ledger Flex if possible. Finally, confirm the transaction on both Robinhood and your Ledger device. Wait for the transaction to confirm, which can take minutes to hours depending on the network. As of November 2025, Ledger Flex supports BTC, ETH, ADA, Doge, and more. Security and cost are key. Always verify the wallet address on your Ledger Flex device to avoid sending crypto to the wrong place. Enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood for extra security. Use a secure internet connection and avoid public Wi-Fi. Remember, Ledger Flex keeps your private keys on the hardware device, not on your phone or in the cloud, protecting you from hacking. Be aware of the fees involved. Robinhood charges a withdrawal fee around 99 cents to 4.99 depending on the crypto and amount, plus network fees. Network fees vary based on how busy the blockchain is. Ethereum gas fees in 2025 average $5 to $50, but can be higher during peak times. Pay attention to these fees, as they can impact the overall cost of transferring your crypto. A good habit is to perform transactions during off-peak hours to minimize fees.